Hello viewers, again welcome again. So viewers, in this video we have shared something amazing and unique designs of Minecraft. So create your own X-Max craft using soft felt fabric and love this holiday season. In this cozy and mindful craft we bring together creativity, calmness and festive charm. Felt craft are not only fun but also help in relaxing the mind, improving focus, and spreading handmade happiness. In this video, you will learn how to and beautiful designs, cute X-Mix felt doll step by creative decoration ideas, mindfulness and mental health benefits of crafting, how handmade crafts bring warmth and peace to your home. So, the felt craft, soft, colorful, and full of festive spirit. As you cut and stitch each piece, notice the calming sound of fabric and thread. This is mindfulness in emotion. Crafting helps us slow down, release stress, and feel connected to what we are making. With every little detail, you are not just creating a decoration, you are creating joy, peace, and your own handmade holiday magic. Xmas is a perfect time to make something beautiful, to gifting something and get together. It's a perfect time to breathe deeply and let your creativity shine through your hands. Felt crafts are simple yet so beautiful. They connect your mind and heart through every small step. You will need just a few easy materials, soft felt fabric in red, white and beige colors, and green. You can take whatever you want like green, light green, and you can make leaf, you can make Santa, needle and matching thread, some cotton or fiber, or for stuffing, tiny beads, lace or ribbon for decoration. Scissor and glue. Arrange your materials neatly on the table. Feel the texture of the felt, soft, warm and comforting. This is where relaxation begins. As you pick up the scissors and cut the shapes, the body, the dress, the head, let your thoughts slow down. Each movement becomes gentle, intentional and calm. Now start stitching the body parts together in soft even movements. The needle passes through the felt slowly in and out like a peaceful rhythm. Add a tiny bit of cotton inside to make it fluffy and full of life. You are not just making a doll, you are creating joy with your hands. Next, sew the dress. Bright red for the holiday mood. Add a little white lace for charm. Maybe a bead or a small bow on her hat. Every detail reflects your imagination. Every touch carries love, and that's the real beauty of handmade art. It's personal, peaceful, and perfectly imperfect. Crafting is more than decoration, it's beautiful mindfulness journey. When you focus on crafting, stitching and designing, your mind naturally leaves behind stress and worries. The repetitive motion of crafting relaxing your body and calms your thoughts. You start to feel grounded, centered, peaceful. This is mindfulness, being fully present in the moment without judgment or hurry. You don't need perfection, you just need presence. Every small mistake is a part of a story, a reminder that beauty lives in being human. Now let's decorate our beautiful things. Beautiful crafting brings many benefits beyond the finished piece. It improves focus, builds peace, patience, and brings emotion balance. Your breathing slows, your mind clears, and your heart feels lighter. Studies show that handmade activities reduce anxiety and boost happiness hormones because creativity connects connects you with peace. When you craft, you give your mind a break, a soft healing pause from screens, worries, and noise. It's your quiet therapy, your peaceful retreat within the rhythm of needle and thread. Hope you're enjoying ideas and designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We want to explore some beautiful more designs. And our next video, watch till the end. Stay tuned with us. And we try to bring that amazing collection for our viewers and subscribers. So stay tuned with us, stay connected, and we are really want to share, inshallah, amazing. We will come back with amazing and beautiful design right here. Stay tuned with our channel.